The Chief of the Naval Staff, in his vision of enhancing the capability of the Ghana Navy in protecting the sea lines of communication, tasked the Ghana Navy Special Boat Squadron to conduct exercises to build our capability to conduct maritime special forces operations to enhance safety and security in our maritime jurisdiction. The exercise seeks to deepen the collaboration between both navies and also to enhance maritime trade to boost economic development of the country. The unit on its own is also conducting this exercise with the objective of enhancing efficiency and effectiveness of individual teams to conduct operations at short notice to achieve strategic objectives. This in all will seek to enhance the Navy's capability in ensuring the safety and security of our maritime domain.
The Ghana Navy SBS received intel from their partners, the Danish Naval Special Warfare Group, of a vessel from Europe transiting Nigeria and Togo before reaching Ghana, having ammunition and weapons on board. Upon reaching Ghana waters, the captain of the vessel contacted the Ghana Navy and reported 2 armed dealers who boarded the vessel in transit with a container full of arms and ammunition. The SBS sent a team to board the vessel using their VBSS equipment. They boarded from the starboard side and made their way to the bridge. They arrested the 2 armed dealers and made contact with the Trident armed guards to locate the container.
What's up, everyone? What do you want from me?
Stop. Out. Slowly. Slowly. You run and fire. Out. Slowly.
Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Now wait.
Okay. Turn around. Stop. On your knees. Hands up. Lie down. Fingers pointed outward. Facing forward. Look to your right. Point out. Come on.
What do you want from me? What do you want?
On me.
This is Bernice. Over. Bring my own watch out. And then go take up. You guys suspected ambulance on board vessel.
Yes.
Are you aware of this?
No, just now we are aware of this now.
Do you have any idea on where the arms and ammunition are being kept?
There is a container marked over here as per the information received.
Okay. You know the location of the container?
Yeah, it is over here.
Oh.
Today we had a drill with regard to security with the Ghanaian Navy, and with the drill we saw that what all we can improve and how much we should improve further, so that we don't have any incident in the Ghanaian water. So on ship, on board, we know how secure we are.
For me, it was the first drill with any navy, and I think it was a successful drill, and it will help us for the future that we can pass and transit these areas in a safe way.
With the direction of the Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Issa Adam Yakubu, the Special Boat Squadron will continue to cooperate with Maersk and other shipping lines, as well as development-driven entities, to enhance the safety and security of Ghana's maritime domain.